G'day you mob, Pete here from Aussie English, and this is another episode of Aussie Slang, where I teach you, you guessed it, Australian slang words and slang expressions. The whole point of these episodes, guys, is to give you a window into the weird and strange world of Australian English, right? To understand the culture, a little bit about our humor, everything like that. So I'm trying to keep these episodes short and sweet, 2 to 3 minutes long, so that you can listen many times and you can hopefully go through a lot of these different episodes and pick up a lot of slang quickly. So today's episode is about the expression all ears, right? All ears. So if you are all ears, and I'll give you some examples first, you are, say, at a meeting and someone says to you, Pete, are you all ears? Are you listening? Are you watching? Are you paying attention? Are you all ears? And I might say, yes, I'm all ears. I am paying attention. I am listening attentively. Another example might be that if you are a student at school, you go to a class and it's your favorite class out of all your different subjects, you might say to your parents when you're discussing the class that you are always all ears, right? You are always listening attentively. You are always paying attention. Lastly, we can probably use this when we are saying that we are open to other people's suggestions or opinions. So maybe you run a business and you come across a certain problem, you don't know how to fix it, and so you have a meeting with all these people and you say, guys, I need some suggestions for how to fix this problem that we've currently got. I am all ears, right? Give me your suggestions. I am listening attentively, I am paying attention, and I am open to your opinions, your advice, your suggestions, okay? I am all ears. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember to check out all of the other episodes of Aussie Slang. You can watch these on the Aussie English channel on YouTube, and you can listen to these episodes on the Aussie English podcast. For everything else Aussie English, go to aussieenglish.com.au. There's a lot of Aussie Englishes in those last few sentences. And yeah, keep it up, okay? Keep working hard, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.